National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Davis to 6 miles southeast of German Valley, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Pecatonica, Durand, New Milford, Seward, Shirland, Lake Somerset, and Harrison. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 18. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Aviators Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago